Hello everyone, मैं हूँ निधि from College Dunia and we are back with another video of the US series. Today we are going to talk about a university which has a prosperous history of 124 years. We are talking about the one and only Northeastern University. According to US News and World Report, Best Colleges Ranking 2022-2023, Northeastern University has been ranked 44th among the best universities in the USA and 12th in most innovative schools category. This university has developed more open and diversified channels for immersive experiences, allowing you to engage with real-world problems in new and innovative ways. आप सभी को कुछ बहुत ही important बातों का ध्यान रखना जरूरी है अपनी यूनिवर्सिटी सिलेक्शन के लिए. For example, campuses, fees, popular courses and eligibility criteria. हम इस वीडियो में नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न यूनिवर्सिटी से जुड़ी इन सभी चीजों के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. So make sure that you don't miss out on any of this information and watch this video till the end. लेकिन इससे पहले कि हम ये वीडियो स्टार्ट करें, do like this video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss out on any important study abroad video. If you have any queries related to studying abroad, then click on the first link given in the description box below. आपको बस अपनी basic details भरनी है and then our study abroad experts will reach out to you in the next 48 to 72 hours. हमारे पास दो बहुत ही interesting offerings हैं, the visa guarantee package and the offer letter guarantee package. So don't forget to check them out as well. Now let's get back to our video on Northeastern University. ये एक प्राइवेट रिसर्च यूनिवर्सिटी है जो कि एस्टैब्लिश हुई थी इन द ईयर 1898. इस यूनिवर्सिटी में ऐसी 3 चीजें हैं जो इस यूनिवर्सिटी को वहां की दूसरी यूनिवर्सिटी से अलग बनाती हैं और वो है इंटरैक्टिव पाथवे प्रोग्राम, एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग प्रोग्राम एंड कोऑप प्रोग्राम. आगे बढ़ने से पहले थोड़ा सा जान लेते हैं कि आखिर ये है क्या. इंटरैक्टिव पाथवे प्रोग्राम है उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जिनके पास टेक्निकल स्किल्स हैं टू टेक एडमिशंस इन द यूनिवर्सिटी बट दे लैक इन देयर लैंग्वेज स्किल्स. नेक्स्ट इज एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग प्रोग्राम. इन दिस जब तक आप अपना मास्टर्स प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं उसके साथ ही you need to do a 6-week project along with your industry mentor wherein you will be helping them in solving a real industry problem. This will help you to understand how the company works and you will have an extra project to show in your resume free of cost. Lastly, it is the co-op program. In this, you will study at the Northeastern University and for 6 months of the next year, you will be working at a firm, making connections and handing out major responsibilities. So with this, you will get to learn more and earn more. So आपके co-op program का tenure around graduation time plus 6 months हो जाएगा. The Northeastern University has a total of 13 campuses around the globe, 10 being in the US, 1 in England and 2 in Canada, जिसमें Boston campus इनका main campus है. अगर हम अभी की बात करें तो ये यूनिवर्सिटी अपने इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स को अराउंड 318 यूजी प्रोग्राम्स और 259 पीजी प्रोग्राम्स करवाती है. इन द ईयर 2021 कंप्यूटर साइंस, बायो इंजीनियरिंग, बिजनेस एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड कम्युनिकेशन स्टडीज ने बहुत ज्यादा ग्रोथ एक्सपीरियंस किया है. तो अगर आपको भी इनमें से किसी डोमेन में इंटरेस्ट है तो डू चेक आउट दिस यूनिवर्सिटी. Computer science, data science, cyber security, AI, robotics, MBA, mechanical engineering, electrical and computer engineering are some of the best courses of Northeastern University. This university is one of the best places for all the sports lovers. If you are into sports, then Marino Recreation Center is a place where you will spend your majority time. इस यूनिवर्सिटी में आपको करीब 400 से भी ज्यादा स्टूडेंट रन क्लब्स मिल जाएंगे, which means finding a new hobby and exploring the same will be something that you will definitely experience. Northeastern University has an amazing sports club called Howling Huskies. Through this club, they promote the athletic and intellectual development of every student athlete, providing immense opportunities to compete and be a true leader. All in all, a true asset to the society. With every club being completely unique, students will get to learn experientially. Northeastern University has a dedicated team to counsel students regarding anything and everything, right from finding a good accommodation, the right career path, or helping out in selecting the best clubs or societies as per your interest. Here are some major reasons for you to study at NEU. The first reason is research. It is an R1 research university. This is a designation given by the Carnegie classification system for US universities that has a high level of research activity. The university offers 36 research doctorate programs to its students. The second reason is NEU stands at 12 in the Best Innovative College category and second for the Best Internship or Career Services by Princeton Review. As per the official records of NEU, a total of around 20,000 international students enrolled from different castes and different races. In short, you will get a lot of opportunities to experience diverse cultures. Alumni network makes our third point. NEU has a strong network of more than 282,000 alumni across 179 countries. Some of the most famous alumni are Mark Ribert, founder and CEO Boston Dynamics, Nikesh Arora, President and Chief Operating Officer of SoftBank, Jason P. Ahern, Deputy Commissioner of US Customs and Border Protection, Albert Sacco, astronaut, Ernie Anastos, New York City TV news anchorman, Jose Juan Barea, Dallas Mavericks NBA. The fourth point is location. Boston is the 24th most populous city in the US and is considered to be one of the best places for part-time and full-time job opportunities. Lastly, the university has numerous sports clubs to keep students in active and healthy condition during their university life. Here, students can easily access facilities like swimming, basketball, soccer, athletics, and more. Let's have a deep look at the eligibility checklist of Northeastern University. Undergraduate admissions के लिए you have to submit your high school transcripts having a minimum GPA of 3.5 which is equal to 87 to 89% for Indian students. Standardized test scores such as SAT scores, letter of recommendations, LOR, essays अगर आपके final exam results release नहीं हुए हो, then you have to submit your tentative grades. Language proficiency scores having a TOEFL IBT score of 99 to 108 or equivalent and supplementary requirements such as declaration and certification of finances DCF, waiver requests, English proficiency interview. For taking admission in a PG course, you have to submit all academic transcripts with a minimum GPA of 3 on a scale of 4, which is equal to 83 to 86% for Indian students. Statement of purpose, standardized test scores such as SAT scores, English proficiency scores, CV, 1 to 3 LORs, personal statement with the details of your academic interest and future goal in around 500 to 1000 words, GRE, GMAT or LSAT score. आपका average GMAT score 654 होना चाहिए, whereas your average GRE verbal score should be 160, Quant 162, average LSAT score should be 163. Your TOEFL score should be 79 or equivalent, and lastly, you have to submit your resume as your supplementary requirement as well. To know more about program-specific admission requirements, you can contact our experts by just clicking on the first link mentioned in the description box below. Northeastern University 3 intakes में admissions offer करता है. Fall intake जिसकी शुरुआत सितंबर में होती है और ये बहुत common intake है among international students. Winter intake की starting January से होती है and summer intake starts from May. We would recommend कि आप September intake में admission लो because इस intake में आप as an international student बहुत सारे courses avail कर सकते हैं because the choices are widely open and आपको scholarship opportunity मिलने में भी दिक्कत नहीं होगी. So don't wait until the last minute and do fill out the application form because seats are very limited here. Northeastern University आपको 318 undergraduate programs and 259 PG programs offer करती है. ये यूनिवर्सिटी अपने कंप्यूटर साइंस, इंजीनियरिंग, साइबर सिक्योरिटी, AI, डेटा साइंस, रोबोटिक्स, MBA फील्ड की स्टडीज की वजह से जानी जाती तो है, पर आपको और भी बहुत फील्ड्स में प्रोग्राम्स मिल जाएंगे. इस यूनिवर्सिटी की कॉस्ट ऑफ स्टडीइंग आपको अराउंड 10,000 to 52,000 US डॉलर्स पड़ेगी, जो कि इंडियन करेंसी में 80,000 to 41 lakhs के अराउंड है. Your cost of tuition strictly depends on your choice of program. Now let's check out the cost of living in Boston. The harsh truth is कि अगर आप Boston के लिए plan कर रहे हैं, then you should know that it is one of the most expensive city to live in the entire US, especially for students. The average cost of living in Boston for students is $33,000 per month. The average rent amount in Boston is $2,500 per month. As an international student, you can apply for the university's co-op program, which will help you in paying up your rent with your office salary, or you can also opt for some of the part-time jobs outside your campus, such as bartender, content writer, data entry, YouTube videos, game tester, translating, ऑनलाइन कंसल्टेंट एक्सेट्रा। ऑन कैंपस बेसिस पर आप कॉफी शॉप्स, यूनिवर्सिटी लाइब्रेरीज, स्टोर्स एंड रेस्टोरेंट्स और ऐसी कई जगह पर काम कर सकते हैं। ये जॉब्स आपको बहुत इजीली मिल सकती हैं ऑन प्लेटफॉर्म्स लाइक लिंक्डइन, इंडीड एक्सेट्रा। नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न यूनिवर्सिटी अपने एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग के लिए जानी जाती है। As per the official records of Northeastern University, 94% of their graduates are employed or are in graduate school within 9 months of their graduation. ये यूनिवर्सिटी अपने अच्छे रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए जानी जाती है। NEU के ग्रेजुएट्स को ऑन एन एवरेज 1,33,000 USD ऑफर करा जाता है, जो पूरे यूएस के ज्यादातर यूनिवर्सिटीज में सबसे ज्यादा है। जहां तक हम बात करें इस यूनिवर्सिटी के फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम मतलब कोऑपरेटिव प्रोग्राम के बारे में, देन इस प्रोग्राम का टोटल पार्टिसिपेशन रेट अराउंड 95.1% है। नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न अंडरग्रेजुएट्स अपने कोऑप एक्सपीरियंसेस को विद इन 6 मंथ्स कंप्लीट करते हैं थ्रू आउट द यूएस, और अभी के टाइम पे ये मोर देन 100 कंट्रीज को केटर करते हैं। The average salary of a UG graduate is around 53 lakhs. The median salary is also around 53 lakhs. And lastly, the maximum salary is seen to be 1.5 CR, with Amazon, Boston Consulting Group BCG, Deloitte, EY, Goldman Sachs and IBM being some of their top recruiters. Northeastern University has made such a name for itself that a lot of people around the globe hear about it, but only a handful of people manage to get enrolled within the system. इस यूनिवर्सिटी का एक्सेप्टेंस रेट है जस्ट 6.7%, जो कि इस यूनिवर्सिटी को बनाता है हाईली सिलेक्टिव। But what are you waiting for? Simply click on the first link given in the description box below and boom! We will be there for your help. Our study abroad experts will make sure that you fill out your application on time. So hurry up! If you have any more queries, तो आप हमें प्लीज बताइए कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें कि नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न यूनिवर्सिटी के बारे में आपको और क्या इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, एंड वी विल गेट बैक टू यू विद अनदर इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियो रियल क्विक। अच्छा, इस वीडियो को लाइक करना ना भूलें एंड चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। शेयर इट अमंग योर फ्रेंड्स हु आर ऑल्सो प्लानिंग टू स्टडी अब्रॉड। Till then, this is me, Nidhi, signing off. All the best.